What's up guys, we back again with another video. Today we got a Jeep Cherokee all the way from Colorado. We're going to be doing a soft touch 5-button kit. Let's check it out. Jeep Cherokee all the way from Colorado. 5-button soft touch kit. We'll be installing on it. Just a little overlook. All right, and we're gonna end up keeping this black, same color. All right guys, we'll start removing all the headliner, pillars and all that, and start getting our measurements. Stay tuned. All right guys, we got everything stripped out, cut out for the sunroof. We got the headliner out. Let's check it out. So just looking at right now. So we're gonna go ahead and we got the sunroof right there. We got the sealant. I'm gonna go ahead and install it. Put the bracket on, bolt everything in play, and then we'll get some power to it. And then I'll get some more video of it. All right. What's up guys? We back again. Finished the install. Jeep Cherokee from Colorado with the soft touch 5-button kit. Let's check it out. Five-button soft touch. Check it out. Looking good. Blacked out. Soft touch with the visor. Looking good. Nice.
Perfect.
That's gonna be it. Another one done, all the way from Colorado. SUV came out clean. All right, stay tuned. I got a lot more videos coming. I'll post one of my Sierra panoramic is in the works. I got it installed. Gotta do the body work, finish the body work. I got the headliner installed, but I still gotta wrap it in the new fabric. But I'm just doing a test fit on it. So stay tuned for that video. I know a lot of people want to see more of the panoramics. As you can see, I'm still doing the body work. Here's a little sneak peek of it. And then I was gonna paint it black. I mean the color match, but I think I'm gonna go with the black roof on that. So let me know what you guys think. That's gonna be it. All the way from Colorado. Sunroof install, Rob's Customs. All right, stay tuned. All right guys, we back. We got another truck in. This one's from Portales, New Mexico. I think about a 4-hour drive, 3.5, 4-hour drive. But we got a Silverado. Let's check it out. Single cab. We're gonna be going with a 2-button kit and with the red suede on the inside. And then we'll spray the plastic and the headliner or the visors red for it to blend in a little. So here you go guys, another one from Portales, New Mexico. I like this hood. Alright guys, you know the drill. Headliner, start striping everything. Getting ready for the sunroof cutout. We'll go from there. Alright. We got the whole install done. Sweden headliner. We painted the console and some clips red just to kind of blend it in. Looks good. Let's check it out. All red. Did the visors, 2-button kit. Looks good. All the way from Portales, New Mexico.